The Wazir Khan Mosque is a 17th century mosque located in the city of Lahore, province of Punjab, Pakistan. This mosque is constructed in during the era of Mughal King Shah Jahan. Wazir Khan Mosque is famous for its intricate, fancy tile work known as Kashikari, as well as its interior surface that are almost entirely embellished with elaborate Mughal era frescoes. The mosque was commissioned by the chief physician to the Mughal court Ilmuddin Ansari, who was known as Wazir Khan. He later became the Subedar or Viceroy of Punjab and commissioned several monuments in Lahore. The mosque interior was richly embellished with frescoes, while the exterior of the mosque was lavishly decorated with intricate Persian style Kashikari tile work. Wazir Khan Mosque was a part of a large complex that included a row of shops traditionally reserved for calligraphers and bookbinders, and the town square in front of the mosque main entrance. The mosque is built on an elevated plinth, with the main portal opening onto the Wazir Khan Chowk. Its outer perimeter measured 279 feet by 159 feet, with the long axis parallel to the Shahi Guzargah. It was built with bricks laid in Kankar lime. The main prayer hall is richly embellished with Mughal frescoes. The mosque prayer hall is approximately 130 feet long and 42 feet wide. It is divided into 5 sections, aligned into a single long aisle running north to south. The central section of the prayer hall is topped by a 31 feet tall dome with a diameter of 23 feet, resting upon four arches that form a square pavilion. A Persian architectural form known as Char Tak. The remaining compartments in the prayer hall are topped by a 21 feet tall dome with a diameter of 19 feet, built in a style similar to that of the earlier Lodi dynasty. The northernmost and southernmost compartments also contain small cells which house spiral staircases that lead to the rooftop. Walls of the prayer hall's interior are also decorated with calligraphy in both Arabic and Persian. Each wall is divided further and contain unique mosaic designs. The mosque is listed as the protected heritage monuments of the Archaeological Department of Punjab in 1993. The site was added to the UNESCO's tentative list of the World Heritage Site status.